So students, today we are going to read a new chapter in English, and the name of the chapter is Good Friends. When we show good behavior, we get good behavior in return. This means that whenever we show a good behavior to anyone, we always get a good behavior in return. That means अगर मैं किसी के साथ अच्छा करूँगी तो लोग भी मेरे साथ कैसा करेंगे, अच्छा ही behave करेंगे. So students, let's read the chapter Good Friends. Now as you can see in this picture, there are two children and the name of these children are Binoy and Reena. He is Binoy and she is Reena. Reena and Binoy lived in a large house. Where did they live? They live in a large house. They had a large room to themselves on the top floor of the house. That means उनका एक बहुत बड़ा रूम था, वो भी घर के top floor पर. They had many toys, books and games, and they also had many dresses. They went to school in a big red car. Everyone liked the car and wanted to go for a ride in the car. So how did they go to school? They went to school in a big red car, and everyone liked the car and wanted to go for a ride in the car. You know what is the meaning of ride? Ride means to travel in a vehicle. They ate ice cream every day, but they did not share with others. They traveled in an aeroplane when they went on a holiday with their parents. They also traveled in a plane to visit their grandparents. Means वो holidays में अपने parents के साथ किस में travel करते थे? They used to travel in an aeroplane, and they also traveled in a plane to visit their grandparents. जब भी उन्हें अपने grandparents से मिलने जाना होता था तो वो किस में travel करते थे? Plane में travel करते थे. Everyone in the class wanted to be their friends. Means क्लास में सब बच्चे उनके फ्रेंड्स बनना चाहते थे. बट रीना एंड बिनॉय डिड नॉट टॉक टू एनीवन इन द क्लास. दे सेट इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द फर्स्ट रो बाय देमसेल्व्स. सो वेयर डिड दे सेट? दे सेट in the corner of the first row by themselves, and if someone came and said hello, they would turn away. Now we have two more children in this chapter, Raja and Rajni. He is Raja and she is Rajni. Raja and Rajni were their neighbors. वो किसके neighbors थे? Yes, Reena and Binoy के neighbors. They lived in a small house. Their father was the school peon who rang the school bell when it was time for school to begin. Means उनके पापा क्या करते थे? Their father was the school peon. He was a school peon, and वो स्कूल में जो स्कूल बेल होती है छुट्टी के टाइम पे और इवन स्कूल स्टार्ट होने के टाइम पे जब बेल रिंग करते हैं वो बेल को रिंग करते थे. He also rang the bell when the school ended for the day. Raja and Rajni would walk to school every day and got ice cream only once in a month. They were very friendly with the other pupils and everyone liked to play with them. Means वो सब बच्चों के साथ इतने अच्छे से और इतने friendly थे कि that everyone liked to play with them. They sat in the middle of the classroom and listened to the teacher in the class. Now students, see the difference between both the children. Raja and Rajni lived in a small house, and Reena and Binoy, they lived in a large house. Raja and Rajni, they went to school by walking, but this Reena and Binoy, they went to school in a big red car. Raja and Rajni, they got ice cream only once in a month. Means महीने में उनको एक बार ice cream मिलती थी. But Reena and Binoy, they get ice cream every day. Raja and Rajni were very friendly with their friends, but Reena and Binoy, they do not talk to anyone in the class. Raja and Rajni, They sat in the middle of the classroom and listened to the teacher in the class. But Binoy and Reena, they sat in the corner of the first row by themselves. So have you seen that both the children were very different? We can say both the children were opposite. So now one day what happened on the day of the school inspection? You know what is the meaning of inspection? Inspection means carefully examination. The inspector asked the children to speak about their friends. And you know what is the meaning of inspector? Inspector means a person who examines, okay? So the inspector asked the children to speak about their friends. Inspector ने क्या पूछा? अपने friends के बारे में बताओ. Reena and Binoy kept quiet. Reena and Binoy kept quiet means they were sitting quietly. They did not speak a single word. They had no friends as they always stayed by themselves. उनको कोई friend ही नहीं था, वो हमेशा अकेले रहते थे. Raja and Rajni could not stop counting their friends as the whole class was friendly with them. The inspector was very happy with them. Inspector उनसे बहुत खुश था. The school inspector was a very kind man. He ordered that a special treat be given to Raja and Rajni and all their friends. मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी काइंड. वो बहुत अच्छे थे. उन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया कि राजा और रजनी को और उनके फ्रेंड्स को ट्रीट दी जाएगी. Everyone was happy and clapped for the school inspector. सब इतने खुश थे that they clapped for the school inspector. Reena and Binoy sat by themselves. But Raja and Rajni went to them and held their hands and asked them to share the treat. राजा एंड रजनी ने क्या किया? वो उनके पास गए, उनका हाथ पकड़ा और उनसे पूछा कि to share the treat. They were very happy to get the treat. They felt happy to talk and became friends with everyone in the class. Means उन्हें सबसे बात करके इतना अच्छा लगा और वो सभी के साथ friends बन गए. From that time on, all the four of them became good friends. Now, Reena, Rajni, Binoy and Raja go home together in the same red car. They sit on the same bench at school. They play and eat together at school like good friends. Means now four of them became good friends. वो चारों अच्छे friend बन गए. Now Reena, Rajni, Binoy and Raja वो सभी एक साथ उसी रेड कार में घर जाते हैं. They sit on the same bench at school. वो सभी एक साथ एक बेंच पे बैठते हैं. And they play and eat together at school like good friends. So students, what we have learned from this chapter? So we have learned that we should behave properly with everyone so that we will also get the good behavior in return. So students, now let's sing a sharing song. It's always more fun to share with everyone. It's always more fun to share with everyone. If you have two, give one to your friend. If you have three, give one to your friend and one to me. So it's always more fun to share with everyone. So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.